take a little time now and talk about the wiring diagram. This is my chicken scratch, but I think it's good enough to walk everyone through what needs to be done. On the switch that you get from AliExpress, and I'll show that real quick here, there is a wiring diagram that shows what everything is. That's going to be very important for you to use. You'll note that 1 and 5 are for the icon, and that's what you use. So when you turn on your lights, you can see the what switch it is. 2 will go out to the relay, and then 3 and 4 will be used to power the working indicator light. So it's very important to keep those things in mind. As far as the relay goes, these are the numbers that are associated with the different pins on the relay. 86 will come back to the switch inside the cabin. 85 will go to a common ground in the engine bay. 30 is what comes off the fuse box in the engine bay. I used USB 2 because it's a switched input, meaning that the Raptor lights will only be on when the ignition's on, so I won't drain my battery. And then 87 and 87A are what go to the two positives on the Raptor lights, one being for the white and one being for the amber. And then, of course, you'll have your ground for the Raptor lights. I chose the same grounding point for my relay as my Raptor lights. It was a common ground that's already existing in the engine bay, and I'll show you where that is when we get to the engine bay. So as far as wiring this up, it's not that difficult. I did go ahead and use the grommet that is near the top of the driver's side in the engine bay to be able to get this blue wire back into the switch. Everything else was either in the engine bay or it was in the cabin. So let's go ahead and go out and take a look at the car and see what it looks like.